Hello, and welcome to this session on building a next generation firewall using an industrial router. So, in this session, we are going to be looking at how to build a next generation firewall using our industrial routers and the Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN manager. So, security teams are facing unprecedented challenges as the landscape evolves, the business needs evolve. The demands are multifaceted, stemming from a lack of visibility into potential threats and an overwhelming amount of exposure to risks. Additionally, there is a significant shortage of skilled experts in the field. This complicates the ability to respond effectively to known threats, right? And the integration of security measures is often insufficient, leaving gaps that can be exploited. As organizations transition to the cloud and embrace limited devices, the complexity increases. The rise of distributed workforces and the push for digital transformation further amplifies these pressures. So it's crucial to recognize these issues and strategize on enhancing our security posture and ensuring our teams are equipped to handle these evolving demands. Securing the critical infrastructure is essential for national safety and economic stability. The slide highlights three pivotal documents that guide efforts in this area. The NERC-CIP focuses on cybersecurity measures specifically for substations and renewable energy, ensuring that these vital components are protected against threats. The TSA security directives address cybersecurity for transportation sectors, including rail, airports and transport, and mass transit, outlining necessary mitigation actions. Lastly, the NIS2 directive sets a high standard for cybersecurity across the EU, emphasizing the need for robust measures and compliance. Together, these frameworks help us safeguard energy, transport, water, and manufacturing sectors, which are crucial for our daily lives and overall security. The Cisco Industrial Security Solution is a comprehensive framework designed to enhance security in industrial environments. It begins with establishing a robust security foundation that integrates IT and OT systems, ensuring seamless communication and protection across both domains. The second step focuses on assessing the security posture and implementing a zero trust network access technology for operations technology and assets to which you need to connect to. This is crucial for minimizing vulnerabilities and unknown access. Next, the strategy emphasizes segmenting the network into smaller trust zones, which helps contain potential threats and limits their impact. Finally, developing an incident investigation and response capability is essential for quickly addressing security breaches. The integration of Talos threat intelligence and Talos incident response throughout this posture improves and enhances the overall security posture, providing real-time insights and proactive measures against emerging threats. Cisco validated designs are part of this endeavor and are essential for organizations looking to implement networking and cybersecurity technologies and practices effectively. These reference architectures are tailored to meet specific needs of various industries, ensuring that deployments are not only faster but also carry less risk. The emphasis on predictability means that organizations can anticipate outcomes more reliably, which is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. The visual elements, such as the stack of documents, symbolizes the comprehensive security and compliance guidelines that Cisco provides. This commitment extends to both generic and specific design requirements, including regulatory compliance, which is vital for industries, and those that are operating under strict regulations. So what really is a next generation firewall? A next generation firewall, or NGFW as I know them, represents a significant evolution in network security. They go beyond traditional firewalls by incorporating advanced features such as stateful inspection and application awareness. This allows organizations to identify and block risky applications effectively. Integrated intrusion prevention systems and intrusion detection systems enhance security by detecting and responding to threats in real time. Additionally, leveraging threat intelligence sources like Talos ensures that the firewall is equipped with the latest information from emerging threats. It's also crucial to consider the upgrade paths for future information feeds as the threat landscape is constantly evolving. Here we align with Gartner's definition of NGFWs, emphasizing the importance of these capabilities in protecting our networks against sophisticated attacks. One of the key capabilities of a next-gen firewall is stateful inspection. This combined with layer 7 awareness or application layer awareness in network security. The use case highlights a deny by default policy, which is crucial for protecting critical infrastructure by preventing unauthorized traffic from entering or leaving. The centralized management allows for streamlined oversight, while granular policy control ensures that applications are managed effectively. The enterprise firewall's Layer 7 application awareness enhances security by understanding application-level data, providing deeper insights into traffic patterns. Additionally, the centralized visibility and control for all traffic, both inbound and outbound, facilitates a comprehensive security posture. Here you see how traffic flows through various network components, reinforcing the concept of a unified approach to configuration and administration. This single pane of glass simplifies management, making it easier to maintain a robust, secure network. Effective segmentation is also crucial for maintaining the integrity of IT and OT assets by segmenting trust zones. These assets that sit across both IT and OT zones share the same physical infrastructure. By ensuring that traffic does not cross between these zones, we can significantly reduce the risk of compromise in one area affecting the other. This is particularly important in environments where operational continuity is vital. The use of virtual routing functions or virtual route forwarding allows for logical isolation, which enhances security. Additionally, implementing quality of service and denial of service protections ensure that one's domain performance is not adversely impacted by another. Here we see that these concepts emphasize the importance of physical security and user access in maintaining a robust segmentation strategy. Integration and intrusion prevention systems are one other key feature of next generation firewalls, specifically use of features such as Snort. In this case, Snort 3, the latest set of libraries for intrusion prevention systems. It emphasizes the importance of blocking known threats and inspecting traffic to detect attacks, which is crucial for maintaining network security. The virtual patching of high-priority vulnerabilities is a key strategy to mitigate risks without immediate system updates. Snort 3's capabilities are robust, offering industry-leading intrusion prevention that can identify sophisticated attacks. Additionally, the integration with Cisco's Talos security intelligence enhances security detection by leveraging real-time data from the vast network. Using the intrusion prevention systems, you can create custom Snort signatures for OT-specific protocols, such as SCADA systems. You can create SCADA preprocessors to tailor for specific security measures, ensuring that specific vulnerabilities are addressed effectively. Another critical area of firewalls for the next generation is malware protection and sandboxing, emphasizing the need to combat sophisticated file and application-related threats. The use case highlights the importance of rapid tracking, containment analysis, and remediation of attacks, which is essential for maintaining the security in today's digital landscape. Key features include continuous monitoring of file activity across the network and accurate detection of file status, whether clean, unknown, or malicious, leveraging Talos intelligence. The integration of secure malware analytics in Cisco's advanced malware protection ensures the ability to sandbox unknown files, ensuring they are analyzed in a secure environment. Continuous updates from global threat intelligence further bolsters defenses against the emerging malware threats. The accompanying diagram visually represents the interplay between these components. URL filtering is essential for maintaining productive work environment by preventing access to harmful websites. This capability protects the organization from potential security threats like phishing, but also ensures that employees remain focused on their tasks. End-user notifications can provide clarity on why access is denied, which can educate users about safe browsing practices. This slide highlights the capabilities of a next-generation firewall, specifically Cisco's industrial routers that are equipped with the next-generation firewall capabilities. Some of the key components mentioned here are application layer firewalls with up to 5,000 layer 7 applications being classified, network segmentation, DOS protection as mentioned before. The IR1835 and the IR8340 support the next-gen firewall add-ons in this portfolio. The IR8340 also supports the SSL decryption feature on the next-gen firewall. We have a security capability matrix here, which is essential for understanding the security features offered by the three devices, the Cisco IR1101, the Cisco Catalyst IR1835, and the Cisco Catalyst IR8340. This table clearly indicates which features are supported on each device and lets you know how to position these devices effectively for specific security requirements. The security features shown here, especially the next-gen firewall features, can only be pushed and managed through Cisco's Catalyst SD-WAN. How do I configure a next-gen firewall? Well, this is what we will show you in the upcoming demo, and we will look at our Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN manager to show you how to quickly create a policy and push it down to the router. So here you can see we are logged in the Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN manager. To create a security policy and manage it through SD-WAN, we go into configuration and policy groups. We can go to groups of interest and navigate to security. Under profiles, you can pick a specific profile. So for example, if you want to implement intrusion prevention capabilities and malware protection capabilities on your industrial router, you can select that. I will select intrusion prevention and I will add an intrusion prevention policy. You can name the policy and select the signature set from least secure to highest security. You can select the detection mode, whether you want to drop packets or just detect packets. In this case, we're just detecting the packets here. You can also protect. This will drop malicious packets. Under the advanced tab, you can see you can define a custom signature set of known malware signatures, or you can even select a signature from a known list. You can set the alerts log level when a specific signature is matched to tell you whether this is a error, or you can set the level here. For malware protection, you can add a specific advanced malware protection cloud region. You can enable file analysis using our threat grid cloud. So for this, your SD-WAN manager and your router will need to have cloud access. You can select the alerts level. You can select the types of files to be analyzed. There are multiple files here, including PDFs, text file, and so on. You can select those files here, and that will allow you for file threat analysis and sandboxing. Once you've defined all your profiles, you can add those profiles to an advanced inspection profile by clicking on Add, and then you can select the specific intrusion profile, prevention profile. If you have created a URL filtering profile, you can create a specific, add it here, and then run advanced malware protection, you can add your malware protection profile. You can select the TLS action. You can even select the TLS decryption for the IR8340. Once this has been done and you've created your inspection profile, we will navigate to the NGFW tab. Here you can add a new NGFW policy. And you can name your policy here. And you can select specific solution, SD-WAN or SD routing, and click next. You can select the router group that you want to apply it to, and click next. So, and here you can now select a very similar looking page to a firewall management center. You can select the source, destination, the protocol, and application. So if you click on the pencil here, you can hit edit, and then you can select the rule and which conditions to match. You can select a specific IPv4 prefix as a source and destination, or a port or a geolocation. You can select ports, but the key thing to see here is you can also select applications. So you can select specific applications. You can create your own application profile. I've created one here called Modbus for specific Modbus applications. And if you want to use the next generation firewall capabilities, you want to inspect traffic. And if you want to log your events based on the hits, the firewall hits, you can log them here. Then you can select the advanced inspection profile and then save the profile. So once you've done that, I've already created a profile. We can then assign it to the policy group. So you can either add a policy group, or if you already have a policy group, you can assign it to your policy group. So here you can pick the policy or inspection policy that you set up and add it under the NGFW tab, and then hit save. You can then hit deploy to push the policy down to the routers in that configuration group. Hit next. Make sure you're selecting the right devices, and you can even preview the changes that are being pushed down. You can see that some of the rules are being applied here as a zone-based firewall. I am matching a Modbus PLC traffic, Modbus protocol, and inspecting that traffic type and dropping it if it meets the criteria. So you can go ahead and deploy this, and then this will effectively make your router a firewall. Depending on the router model, the R1101 can implement layer 7 application-based firewalls. The IR1835 can implement next generation firewall capabilities, as well as the IR8340.